Okay, so now this is another 440X or Mega G cars. These are, I just want to take one of these out of the packages because I want to show you something here. We've got 4 different chassis here. And so I want to show you, I've done this before, but I just thought I'd do another video because my son's always nagging me about this. So this is the Mega G Plus chassis. See how streamlined it is? See how the motor is all self-contained? Here's their N, what do they call it? The N, something N. Oh, shoot, I can't think of this. This is their class collector series. This doesn't have the, see this has their advanced FNM20 advanced power unit in this. Okay, but here's the chassis. You see how it's a streamlined chassis? Basically the only component on here that you replace are the guide blades, and then you might need a new gear system here and here. All right, so that is the Racemasters. See, this is an extraction. This is an extraction chassis. Okay, you see the extraction chassis, a lot more components. You can really kind of do all of the repairing here, the gears. All right, you see the difference here. It's a self-contained unit. This is streamlined, where this is kind of a wider body. Okay, now this is a Tyco 440X2 chassis. Okay, you see the evolution of the chassis. See, this is a 440X2, a wider. It's a this is still a self-contained motor. With this motor, you can take it completely out and replace components and all that. And then you have Lifelike, which is kind of similar to 440X2 or AFX or Tyco, but this is kind of a self-contained motor too. But you notice the same, overall the same mechanics of the car. All right, and so this is the different cars that are available. All right. And then you have Thunderjets, which is a different chassis also. So I mean, you keep evolving in the car, which a lot of people like to constantly evolve, constantly advance, and constantly getting faster and faster, which is a lot of fun. Okay, a lot of fun. All right, so this is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. And we will see you in the next video. See you later.